Diving into the world of affiliate marketing? It's a journey that can lead to passive income through savvy promotion and strategic partnerships. But where do you start? Let's break it down. First things first, pinpoint your passion. Your niche should be a reflection of your interests and expertise. It's not just about what you love, it's about finding the sweet spot where demand meets profitability. Next up, scout for affiliate programs. Look beyond the horizon of possibilities to reputable companies that resonate with your chosen niche. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are your treasure maps to begin this quest. Now establish your digital territory. Whether it's a blog, a buzzing YouTube channel, or a social media account, select a platform where your voice can be heard and your affiliate products can shine. Content is your currency. Craft high-quality, engaging pieces that not only captivate your audience, but also weave in your affiliate products with a subtle touch. With your content as your compass, navigate the seas of digital marketing to drive traffic to your platform. SEO, social media marketing, and even paid ads are your allies in this voyage. Don't forget to build an email list, a treasure trove of potential. Entice visitors with valuable incentives and use email marketing to foster lasting relationships and promote your affiliate offerings. Finally, measure, refine, and persist. Use analytics to steer your course, adjusting your sales based on the winds of feedback and performance data. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay the course, and success will be on the horizon.